Assalamualaikum. I am Ikra Shokar from class 10th. Today our topic is measure of central tendency. There are 6 type of central tendency: arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean, and quartiles. There are 2 types of arithmetic mean: ungrouped data and grouped data. Again, ungrouped data is divided into 2 types: direct and indirect. Indirect is also called short method. The formula of direct method is x bar is equal to sigma fx over n, and indirect is x bar is equal to a plus sigma n or I is equal to 1 di over n. Next, second formula of indirect, sigma bar, x bar is equal to a plus sigma n over n ui multiple h. And the 2 types of group data, direct and indirect. The formula of direct method, x bar is equal to sigma fxi over sigma fx. It is equal to sigma fx over sigma f. And indirect, sigma bar, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fd over sigma f. X bar is equal to a plus sigma fu over sigma f multiple h. The next is median, second type of central tendency. There are 2 types of median: ungrouped data and group data. In first case means odd number, x is equal to size of n plus 1 over t bracket th. In case of 2 यानी कि even number में x is equal to half size of n over 2 th plus n plus 2 over 2 multiple th bracket close. Observation. Group data, discrete. There are 2 types of group data: discrete and continuous. Discrete, n over 2 multiple t n over 2 bracket th. Observation. Continuous, median is equal to 1 plus h over f bracket n over 2 minus c bracket close. Mode. The third type of central tendency is mode. Ungrouped data and group data are types of mode. Ungrouped data is divided into mode. Its formula is mode is equal to the most frequent observation, and group data are of 2 types: discrete and continuous. Discrete, mode is equal to the most frequent observation, and continuous, mode is equal to L plus fm minus f1 over 2fm minus f1 minus f2 multiple h. Geometric mean. Geometric mean is 4 type of central tendency. It is also divided into 2 types: ungrouped data and group data. Ungrouped data. Formula of ungrouped data, geometric mean gm is equal to antilog bracket sigma log x over n bracket close. Group data, gm geometric mean is equal to antilog sigma f log x over sigma f. Harmonic mean. 5 type of central tendency harmonic mean. Ungrouped data and group data, its types. Ungrouped data formula, harmonic mean is equal to n over sigma 1 over x, and group data harmonic mean is equal to sigma f over sigma f over x. Quartile is 6 type of central tendency. It is not also divided into